guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, so today's video is my favorite shorts for the summer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, as always, everything that I'm showing you will be linked in the description box. My measurements are in there, as well as the sizes that I am trying on. Let's go ahead and start with what I'm wearing. I tend to like to do that. So let's start with the shorts, because even though this shirt is spectacular and I will show it to you, I want to show you the shorts first. Oh, I have them on. I'm literally going to reach for them and they're on my body. Okay, that doesn't work. All right, so I will show you the rest of them. All right, these ones are really, really cute. Super, super silky. They have pockets. They're at a really good length. I always do the fingertip length. Sometimes I go a little bit above my fingers. Sometimes I go below, but basically I always show you with my fingers where they fall. Again, they've got a little pleated front, but they're super, super silky and very high-waisted, which I love because as I'm showing you today, you can dress them up. So I'm pairing it with this absolutely stunning off-the-shoulder blouse from, I think it's from Express. I love this. It's a one sleeve. It's got a little bit of elastic here, so you can pull it up and let it balloon down, or you can pull it down and it be a little bit longer. It's not going to go to your wrist, but very, very, very cute. Love this. And then the shoes that I'm wearing are the Sam Edelman Yarrows. I'm obsessed by those, although I will say that in the Nordstrom's anniversary sale, there is a shoe, this one right here, that I will be getting in white, because my Yarrows in white, the Sam Edelmans, these are 4-inch heels. They're getting a little bit tall for me. If it's just a date night or something like that, that's not a problem, but I like these. They're very similar to the Yarrow. So I'm going to see if they have them in, I have them in my little wish list. You guys will see Nordstrom's before you see this, probably, maybe, I don't know. It's all going to be jumbled in there, so who knows what you'll see. But that is an option. Jewelry that I am sporting with that outfit, this bracelet, which I'm totally obsessed with. It is a bangle and it has matching earrings. I don't have them on today. Are hoops, and I've worn them before. They're very cute. And then the earrings, these are from Banana Republic, which are really, really pretty. They have this gorgeous stone and then a matching necklace. This is a layered, so it has this little small piece here and then a bigger piece. Okay, next pair of shorts, a khaki. All right, khaki shorts. These can be a little bit more difficult, I think. What I love about this, again, is a belt tie. However, you can remove these belts, which I know I didn't do it with this pair of shorts, but I did it with another pair of shorts that I'll show you, so that you can get an idea of, no, you don't have to keep this belt on if you don't. If you want more of a streamlined, flat front, you can do that by just removing the belt. I like that they have pockets, and I like that they have the little buttons. These are cargo style, if you will, shorts. I paired it fairly casually. Well, very casually, with a tank top in red, which I love. And then I recently picked up these. I had never heard of this brand before, and they are called Kelly and Katie. Love these espadrilles. They look almost identical to my Dr. Scholl's. Look at that. I mean, very, very close. I mean, really close. I'm gonna see, they're the exact same height, which, you know, I love this. The difference is these have the cross. So here, there we go. So these have the cross in front. These go around the ankle. Obsessed by these. You want to talk about comfort, you guys? Look at this. All the way from heel to toe, squish. Really super comfortable. The heel is enclosed. I mean, this is a great shoe. Beautiful, and I just love the pop of red. I mean, I was gonna wear all black and pop this, and then I was like, oh wait, I have a red tank. Let's just throw that on. But I can't recommend these shoes enough. They're very, very comfortable. They may have other colors too. I honestly don't remember. I think I got them from DSW. Honestly, I don't remember. I got them with yes, I got them at DSW. And I actually got a pair of flats that are very similar to Tory Burch. If I think about it, I'll show you guys. All right, the next pair of shorts are a longer short. This is not my necessarily cup of tea, although I actually like these ones, which I'm really shocked with because I don't typically like what's called the Bermuda style, all the sizes that I got. So just get your normal size. So I'm showing it without the belt as it comes, and then I also wanted to show it to you with the belt, and I just grabbed a little lacy tank. This one's probably from Express and I've had it for a really long time. Oh no, this is Halogen. So I will list something very similar. I always can find something very similar to this, but this is one of my favorite tanks because it has the raw hem on it. I will try and find that. The raw hem might be a little bit difficult, but we'll see. And then the espadrilles that I just showed you, which are the black ones, Dr. Scholl's, love, they're perfect. They're super comfortable. And then I bought a new pair of earrings. These are really pretty from Banana Republic. I love the movement and I love the hammered silver. So I am sporting those, as well as this little toggle bracelet from Banana Republic as well. I love a toggle because it's easy on, easy off. And I just love the kind of links there. And then the other way that I'm showing it is with a sweater. Obsessed by these sweaters. To you as well with these sweaters from Banana Republic. They're what they're calling a polo sweater because they have that pop collar. So it's like a polo shirt, but it's a sweater. This is gorgeous. This one is like a cream and black, which I love. I picked up two. So I showed it to you also with this sweater. It's nice and lightweight. It's a great transition piece, not if you're living in Texas, but if you're living in Connecticut, absolutely. And I love that New England vibe. I bought a lot of nautical stuff for our vacation, and that was one of the pieces, and I'm absolutely obsessed by it. For you ladies that like a longer short, that's a super, super cute one. And then just to show you, so then we're gonna go to a jean short. I showed this short in like the all white look for summer. If you haven't seen that video, there it is right there. Just click on that link after you're done watching this one, or I'll put it in the description box. These are my absolute favorite jean shorts. Jean shorts are probably the hardest pair of shorts to find. Give me a high waist, give me pockets, give me a wider leg in a pair of shorts, and I can rock them all day, every day. Give me a pair of jean shorts and I'm like, right? That's how I feel. It's just like so like, oh, these ones, phenomenal. Best jean shorts ever. For a couple reasons. I've been wearing them, so they're not. I love the double button front, so they have the little two buttons. They have pockets in the front, pockets in the back. Here's what I like about them. This is the shortest version. Well, I mean, I guess you could roll them up a bit more, but you could then unroll them. I'm showing you here, and then you can unroll them again and it'll give you a raw hem. So you have the option of wearing them 3 different lengths. I like the shorter length, I just do. So with that, I'm showing it to you with my absolutely favorite pair of what I would call fashion sneakers, because I really only own 2 pair of fashion sneakers. These, which are the Converse platform. They also have those in the Nordstrom's anniversary sale. They just don't have the black trim like mine do, but I can't recommend them enough. They're super, super, super comfortable. Converse used to be like the most ridiculous tennis shoe. There was no comfort or style involved, in my opinion. But I'm pairing it with the navy and white sweater that I just showed you. I'm obsessed by this one. This one is going on vacation with me. I'm like, I'm in love with you. I want to pair you a million different ways. And so we can just rip this tag right out. I did get a small. A lot of times I do mediums, but not in this case. So I would say if you're in between sizes, size down for this particular sweater. absolutely obsessed by it. I just think it is stunning, gorgeous, and even though it has white stripes and they're going across your chest, I don't think it makes you look any bigger. That's just my opinion. I'm wearing the same earrings that I just showed you earlier, the silver ones, and the necklace is again something I've had for a really long time, but I'm pretty sure that I have another. This is a very thick, it's like a multi-layered necklace that I got off ASOS like years ago. But I think, if I remember correctly, that I found another one that's very similar. But, you know, it's just your basic, you know, silver necklace. So really love those jean shorts. Those are my absolute favorite. Then the next couple pair I've shown in, I think, okay, so then the next pair I've shown in a Get This Look, and I'm obsessed by them. I love them. They are, I own this in, this is the palm print. I own it in the tropical print that I got a year or two ago. So it's like a black with a white. This is a white with a black. These are awesome. They're sort of like a paper bag style short. So they have the elastic, pockets, open leg, I mean everything you want in a short. So you could pair it like this, which is mix and match, or you can unmatch it and just get the shorts. I love it both ways. The top didn't work for me, unfortunately, because memory serves me right, that was the it had a neckline that just didn't work with my prosthesis, but love these. They're seriously one of my favorites. And the beautiful thing about this is you could dress them up or down. I'll show you just a picture of how I did it with a blazer and the other shorts that were the tropical print, but again, they don't have that. They have the palm print. But this is how you can easily just belt it. I'm a pair of heels, and I'm telling you, I wore those shorts, the tropical print ones, like all year. Everywhere we went, I was like, I want to wear those shorts because they look so good. Then the last pair is a beautiful white pair. Now, if you don't want to go for jeans, but you want a nice pair of white shorts, okay, let's go with the same style. They're just a nice linen. Again, sort of that paper bag style, stretchy waist, pockets. Notice how every pair of shorts has a pocket and a nice wide leg at the bottom. And so this is a nice alternative to if you don't want to print and you want, because I think you should have like a solid black pair of shorts, a solid white pair of shorts. So maybe you don't want to go for the jeans, you want something a little bit dressier, but these are still casual as well, you know what I mean? So again, this is one of those things where you could dress it up or down, because I could still see this with a black blazer and a pair of heels and it'd be really cute. Now I wanted to throw another little outfit in here, very similar to the other two pair of shorts, the tropical print or the palm print, tropical print, and the white, is this pair here. I think it's a beautiful, elegant outfit. So I wanted to just pop it in here. It's very similar to the other. It's all a matter of what color you want, what style you want. Do you want a pattern? No pattern. But I love it together. I think it's very, very elegant. Again, the shirt, it's actually the identical shirt to this, just in a beautiful solid color, and it's very silky. So it's silky, and then the shorts are more of a cotton blend. Now, the last pair is really not shorts. So I'm putting it in this video because it's so darn cute. It is an army green. Absolutely awesome, very utilitarian. I love that look. I got it in a medium, thinking because I had the buttons here that, you know, these were gonna get in the way. No, I needed to go down to a small, so I'm going to have to reorder because it's way too big under the arm. I'm showing you, it's just big everywhere. Now, when I belt it, it's perfectly fine. And because this is how I am, I love it that much that if they don't have the small, for some reason, I'm going to keep it and just belt it because that's probably how I would wear it anyways. Again, this has pockets, it has a few little buttons, and it's just adorable. And it has a long enough torso. For some reason, these rompers are like made for, like, I don't know, 5'2" people. I mean, I'm not tall by any stretch. But this was so cute. I have to put it in the go back box because I want, well, hopefully I can get a smaller size. Now I paired that with the most beautiful matching J. Crew espadrilles that I've had for years. I will do my best to find something, but I will tell you, if I didn't wear that, I just had to do it because I just thought it looked so good. If I cannot find that shoe, a nude espadrille, gorgeous. The jewelry that I'm wearing with that is this little bracelet here. Now, again, I think this was like, I've had it for years, but I found one off of Amazon that is identical, so I always list that for you guys. And then the express earrings that I also showed you in one of the videos that I am completely and utterly obsessed by. These are gorgeous. What I love about them is if you have long hair like I do, these suckers are gonna show, and they just are so beautiful. Let me shake my head. They're so beautiful. I just adore them. They look so cute. All right, guys, so that is it. Those are my favorite shorts. Those are the shorts that I think are amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.